Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw projects from Asana and reassign stakeholders, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw projects from Asana, start by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the Projects tab located in the left sidebar. Select the project you wish to withdraw. In the project view, click on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Choose the option Archive Project from the drop-down menu. A prompt will appear to confirm the archiving process. Confirm by clicking on Archive to successfully withdraw the project. Next, if you need to reassign stakeholders, open the project you want to update. In the project view, locate the Share button at the top of the screen. Click on Share to view current collaborators. Remove any stakeholders who no longer need access by clicking on their name and selecting Remove. To add new stakeholders, enter their email addresses in the invite box. Ensure you assign the correct permissions based on their roles. Once done, click Invite to send invitations to the new stakeholders. Now, revisit the project overview to verify that all changes are reflected. You have successfully withdrawn the project from Asana and reassigned stakeholders. Review the project periodically to ensure stakeholders are engaged and updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.